Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to change the language in the Waze app on your phone. Whether you just downloaded Waze or want to switch to a different language for easier navigation, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Waze app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, scroll through the menu and tap on the Settings option. After that, in the Settings menu, tap on the General option. Now tap on Language. A list of available languages will appear on your screen. Browse through the list and select the language you want to use for the Waze interface. Finally, after selecting your preferred language, tap OK. The app will prompt you to restart Waze to apply the new language settings. Confirm the restart, and the app will relaunch in the language you chose. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Waze app on your phone. To summarize, we opened the app, accessed settings, selected a new language, and restarted the app to complete the change.